So, you know what I like about when the hair is a little bit more vanilla, a little bit more cendré, a little bit more ash is I do like to use pink, maybe like a very light pink, but when my hair is too gold and when my face is so white, then the pink doesn't look good. So finally, I get to wear my pink because it looks very good with this hair color. So this is what I have used. The Maree Tone Repair and Hydrate. That's what I use. And this is the purple hydrating mask. Very easy to use, a little messy. It's a messy, so you do want to, I did show you when I was applying on my hair. It is easy to apply, but it is a bit messy. So don't want to get dirty again. See how pretty it is? So the thing about this is there's two ways you could do it. You can apply it directly on the scalp. You have to shampoo your hair, rinse your hair, and towel dry your hair a little bit. But you can apply the way I did all through the hair. You want to start where you want to get rid of the gold or yellow or a brassy tone. And I started on the front because that was right here that I wanted to see if it does work. And yes, it does work. So that's why I started right here. But it's this way you could do is you can apply on the scalp and make sure you saturate everywhere so you have a nice even clear tone everywhere. Or if you just want to do section by section, and if this let's say you have a gold, this is too dull and not enough shine, you can just use this and you can wrap it in a foil like you would use a color toner. But leave it on. Make sure that if you don't want to leave it on too long, especially when you leave it on the scalp, you can put it on the scalp or off the scalp. But make sure that when you leave it on the scalp, you leave it for no longer than 10 minutes, because the longer you leave, the more purple you're going to get. And especially if your hair is white, like my hair is white, so my hair is going to sponge the color, but it's also going to sponge the purple. So it's okay because I like it. So that's what I did. I'm not going to do something I don't like it. So it gives a little bit more a change. It gives some softness because I got some tan right now because I'm walking my dog and every day is getting hotter and hot. So now that I have the nice suntan, I can do some different color on my hair. So that's how you could do this. Apply on the scalp or off the scalp, or utilizing into a section the way you want. And let's say if you did want to just do it just right here, just a little bit, the purple right here and over here and over here, you could do that to bring up to a little bit more deepness into your hair color. And maybe next time we can do that, because I always, I love to play with color. I did it for many years, but now there is just me. I don't do client. I only do my kids sometime and my grandchildren, but I do my own hair. And as I share this with you, I color my hair 4 times a year, but I only tone it. So there's no bleach. My hair is so totally white. So this is the very good, this is a good product. My scalp feels very, very soft. Yes, very soft. My hair feels very soft, very clean. So Yes, the only thing is I really advise you need to have glove on because it is messy and it could be a little bit staining, and you want to make sure you take it off as soon as you apply everywhere. You want to clean it, your face the way I did on the video. And this is Maree Triple Action Purple Hair Mask. Chantal Pons here. À bientôt.